How to boost your event management business with complete digital solution. Complete guide on boosting your event management business. Today, we'll cover essential tips on leveraging web development, marketing, and video content to build a thriving online presence. Let's dive in. 1. Build a high-converting website. Your website is your digital storefront. Make it user-friendly, visually appealing, and easy to navigate. Ensure it's mobile-optimized and loads quickly. Display your key services clearly, add a portfolio of past events, and include testimonials. Integrate online booking and payment options to make the process seamless for your clients. 2. Use the power of social media. Social media is a game changer for event managers. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn allow you to reach clients visually and create engaging, memorable content. Utilize stories and reels for short, and consider targeted ads to reach your ideal audience. 3. Boost local visibility with SEO. For event management, attracting local clients is key. Optimize your website with local keywords like event planner in city. Claim and update your Google business profile to increase your visibility on search engines and encourage happy clients to leave reviews. This builds trust and drives new leads. 4. Best use of video content. Video is one of the best ways to showcase the events you manage. Create highlight reels, capture behind-the-scenes footage, and ask clients for video testimonials. These videos can be shared on social media, your website, or in client pitches to show the magic you bring to each event. 5. Engage clients with blogging and email. A blog can establish you as an industry authority. Write about event trends, planning tips, or unique decor ideas, all with SEO in mind. 6. Track and analyze your success. Use analytics tools to track which digital efforts drive results. From website traffic to social media engagement, data can reveal what's working and where to improve. Ready to grow your event management business? We offer a complete solution, covering web development, marketing, and video production. Let us handle the digital side, so you can focus on creating unforgettable events. Reach out to us today to learn more.